The Japanese resist dye technique called Shibori is extremely diverse. You can create many different patterns on fabric using things like string, rubber bands, clamps, clips, blocks. Here lately I've been experimenting with using clothespins a lot, and in this video you'll see some of the results that I've achieved. So here are some of the processes I've used. The most common technique that I use for folding fabric when doing shibori is the accordion fold. So you'll see me doing that throughout this video. Since the Naupaka dye seemed a little weak, I decided to make more Naupaka dye using some leaves that I picked up from down at the park. And I just added the dye to the batch of dye that was already made with the hopes that it would get a little bit darker. And this is just my neighbor's cat, Fancy, walking through, as she always does when I'm outside doing my work.
Mom, why do you have this on here?
I use it for the camera sometimes.
So put the camera on.
Okay, hold on. As I was preparing this piece to be dyed when I was doing the folding, I kind of had a feeling that I wasn't folding it in a way to where it would produce results that I wanted. So in just a moment, you'll see me refolding this piece and dyeing it again. I'll be re-dyeing this piece as well. You can't see it here, but it did produce some results with the clips, but I'm gonna see if I can get it to be a little bit more pronounced. I didn't show where I refolded and re-clamped this piece that came from the Brazilian Joy Wheat dye, but I did that and then I put it in a different dye, the lychee peel dye, to make it darker.
What's up? How's it saying? Yeah.
Sure. So these are just some of the results that you can achieve using clothespins and just practicing or experimenting with various ways of folding the fabric and clamping it can give you other results. The piece at the bottom right was a piece that I dyed several days prior to producing this video. And what you'll see here is me again doing the accordion fold technique, which is very common in Shibori dyeing, fabric dyeing, and it's a common one that I use, and I find that it works really well with the clamping using clothespins. You have several folds in there, and then you put the pins on, and the space that is underneath will be left white, the original color of the fabric. So hopefully this video was helpful in just showing you some ways that you can dye fabric using clothespins and Shibori techniques. Thanks for watching.